else center. Nowhere. What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Look, I'm actually shaking. So I am. Plays a bit whenever I go to run this car. Everybody turns up. Let's try this. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. No, that didn't really work out. Well, it was a shambles. That's me done. That's too cold. Temperature's right down now. I'm pulling way to the left. So that was a brave man doing that. That was a brave man. Oh, done. I am done. I am done. Brand new set of tires on her. Brand new set of tires. Stop. Read 152. Huh? That's me done. I am done. If it hadn't have been for that mishap up there, probably would have been alright. But look, I'm done. That's that motor done. There's a bit of damage on her, like, but let's see how she goes. Nobody down there. Stolen away a car. Not much talking tonight. Whenever I first arrived down here at 7, there was no traffic at all. Nothing, nothing. And then I charged my batteries up and all of a sudden all this traffic's here. It wasn't a bad run, like. Stop, read 148. Yeah, I only started from, didn't start from us further up this time, but listen guys, keep it real. I'm done. That's probably me done for top speeds for this season. And that's me definitely done with that motor. With the roads and the nights getting, the days getting shorter, so it's darker earlier. There's very limited run time. The weather's different. I will hold on to this motor, but I am going to go to an 1100 kV just to see what I can get out of that, because it's just too hard at the minute to get a clean run. And if it hadn't been for that last one, here, keep it real.